Welcome to Team Resilience presentation. My name is Vivian Oni and I'm representing my team. Our presentation is on resilient greenhouse application. Moving to the next slide, we'll be looking at the problem, which is the seasonality of crops in Nigeria due to climate conditions. And our GCGO is on agriculture. Why, you may ask? Resolving the issue of limited tomatoes and pepper supply is critical for guaranteeing a constant and diverse food supply. Now, moving to the next slide, imagine a farmer with medium knowledge and use of technology that has a big farmland, can only grow one or two types of crops due to seasonality. Now, the next slide here talks about data visualization. On this slide here, it shows tomato product consumption trend in Nigeria between January and April. Supply of fresh tomatoes is high, and thus consumers rarely use other tomato products. However, from April to September, the supply of fresh tomatoes drastically declines, representing the off-season period. If you look at September and November, we'll see that both imports and fresh tomato supply decreases, while towards the end of the year, importation of tomato paste increase due to the low supply of fresh tomatoes. The quantity of tomato and pepper produced from the greenhouse, it still maintains its quantity all through the year. Now, moving to the next is that the greenhouses provide protection against adverse weather conditions, pests, and diseases, allowing for year-round cultivation of crops. Now, the next slide looks at the benefits of the greenhouse technology, in which tomatoes grown in greenhouses have been found to have higher nutritional value and better taste compared to those grown in open fields. Now, the next slide here is the proposed solution, which is our application. We allow farmers access, monitor, and control the operation of a greenhouse. This solution would reduce the shortcoming in manual labor and procedures from the greenhouse technology. Now, the next slide here is our wireframes. And then we have the tomato diagnosis, which we can also have pepper diagnosis, as the case may be, which comprises of the temperature, the water level, and the potassium level being moderated. And then we move to the next slide. Which is our pain points. Users express the need to access a consumer market they can sell to directly from the app. As regards our recommendation, conducting market research to investigate market potential for greenhouse-grown tomatoes and pepper, the team would actively seek collaboration with established greenhouse technology providers. And then lastly, there's a potential for a return of investment in greenhouse technology through the application. Thank you.